Welcome to the Turbo Cloud AI training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to share your files and folders with others. Go and click on More Action. Now click on the Manage People option. Enter the email addresses of the people with whom you want to share your file or folder. Choose access type you want to give and click on Share. And your files or folder will be shared. You can also create shareable links for your files or folder. You can also add custom settings to the link. Thanks for watching the video.